The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 1100 continues its legacy as one of the most advanced and performance-focused superbikes on the market. Known for its racing DNA, Italian design, and cutting-edge electronics, the RSV4 is a favorite among track day riders and high-performance enthusiasts. The MSRP for the 2026 Aprilia RSV4 1100 in the US market is Base RSV4 1100, $19,499. RSV4 Factory 1100. With premium Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension and forged wheels, $26,499. Strengths of the 2026 Aprilia RSV4 1101, powerful V4 engine. The RSV4 1100 is powered by a 1099cc V4 engine, delivering over 217 horsepower. It's renowned for its smooth yet aggressive power delivery, offering thrilling acceleration and top-end performance. 2. Track-ready chassis with a MotoGP-inspired aluminum frame, adjustable swingarm pivot, and refined aerodynamics, including winglets. The RSV4 handles corners with surgical precision. It's built for the track but remains rideable on the street. 3. Top-tier electronics equipped with Aprilia Performance Ride Control, APRC. The RSV4 includes traction control, wheelie control, engine brake control, cornering, ABS launch control, 6 riding modes, track, sport, road, etc. All of these can be fine-tuned via the color TFT display. 4. Premium components. High-spec parts include Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 electronic suspension, Brembo Stylema brakes, lightweight forged wheels. These components ensure the RSV4 delivers confidence and performance at high speeds. 5. Stunning design. Aprilia nails the design with aggressive, aerodynamic bodywork, an integrated LED lighting system, and a race-inspired tail section. It's both functional and eye-catching. Weaknesses of the 2026 Aprilia RSV4 1101. High price tag. The RSV4 1100 sits in the premium superbike segment, with a price that rivals or exceeds competitors like the Ducati Panigale V4 and BMW M1000RR. It may be out of reach for casual riders. 2. Not beginner-friendly. With its aggressive ergonomics, sharp throttle response, and race-tuned chassis, the RSV4 is not ideal for beginners or daily commuting. It demands an experienced hand. 3. Limited comfort. The focused riding position and firm suspension are great for performance but can be uncomfortable on long rides or uneven city roads. 4. Heat management. The V4 engine generates a lot of heat, especially in traffic or warmer climates. Riders report noticeable engine heat around the legs during low-speed riding. 5. Expensive maintenance. Like many high-end Italian bikes, maintenance and parts can be expensive. Regular service is essential to keep performance optimal, especially if used on track. The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 1100 is a top-tier superbike designed for riders who seek adrenaline, precision, and style. It excels on the racetrack and impresses in performance-focused riding. However, its high cost, aggressive nature, and limited practicality mean it's best suited for experienced riders who value high-performance machinery over everyday usability. If you're chasing pure speed, Italian flair, and next-gen technology, the RSV4 1100 remains one of the most thrilling choices in 2026.